Hey everyone. Today we're diving into how to send stickers on Discord using your PC. With the latest updates, it's super easy to add some fun to your conversations. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in to access all your chats. Once you're in, find the chat where you want to send a sticker. This could be a direct message or any group chat you're part of. Now, look for the sticker icon in the message input area. Clicking on this icon will open up a wide variety of sticker categories. You'll find options for different themes, moods, and even popular stickers. If you're looking for something specific, you can also use the search bar at the top of the sticker menu. Just type in a keyword that reflects your mood or the message you want to convey. This feature makes it really easy to find the perfect sticker. When you see a sticker you like, simply click on it. It will be added to your chat instantly, ready to send. And that's it. You've successfully sent a sticker on Discord. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.